Let's check out who we'll be reviewing today. All right, so this one is from Mullican Flooring. I actually remember ordering from them. They sent me a buyer's guide right after I ordered it. I actually remember. It was very nice. I thought it was actually a really good touch, something a lot of people didn't do. So let's open up Mullican and see what we got here. Yep, that's it. All right, so nice piece of Mullican here, Mullican Flooring. So this is oak stirrup. Yep, this is exactly what I ordered. What's really nice about this is it came with these instructions. So let's see. You have your sample. What's next? Oh, so this is telling me exactly next steps. It says, look at the aesthetics, test these samples where you're using them. All right. It's telling you where it's compatible, the measurements, how to install on their website. Yeah, I mean, I ordered oak stirrup. It came, I think, in about 12 days. It came with a buyer guide. Like, I keep going back to that. It was a really good experience. It came to my inbox before. I think it came about 2 or 3 days later. It was a free sample, which was great. And yeah, I mean, overall, can't say, anything negative about this. It's really great. They have some really good branding on here, have their website and their Facebook and their Twitter. Overall, want to see how your customers are receiving samples from manufacturers? Check back tomorrow for another unboxing. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we drop brand new content.